Let's make this freshly orange juice cake together. It's super fluffy and moist. Hello beautiful people, welcome to my channel. Here are the overview of the ingredients I'll be using. My flour, I've sieved it already, the sugar, the egg, the baking powder, vegetable oil, and I also have my vanilla flavor and freshly orange juice. So these are the ingredients I'll be using. In my mixing bowl, I'll start by cracking my egg inside my mixing bowl. After adding all my egg, I'll go ahead and add my sugar. Once I add my sugar, then I'll start creaming my egg and my sugar together. So this is the first thing I'm going to do. You cream your egg and your sugar together. So once you cream to this level, you can see the consistency of what I have. This is just my sugar and egg. You can see how light and how combined, how fluffy everything is. So once you get to this, the next thing you want to add is your vegetable oil. Then after adding your vegetable oil, you are going to mix that together as well. The full list of all the ingredients and measurements will be in the description box below. Please check it out. After mixing my vegetable oil inside the egg and sugar mixture, then the next thing I'll do now is to sieve my baking powder inside my flour. So after sieving my baking powder inside my flour, I'm going to mix that together, then I set it aside. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to add my vanilla flavor inside my batter, that is the egg, sugar and vegetable oil batter. Then I'll mix that for a little bit and you can see what I have. So at this point, I'm going to reduce the speed of my mixer. So once I reduce the speed of my mixer, I'll start adding my flour bit by bit. So at this point, you don't have to over mix, you do it gently. My beautiful people, let me introduce my new ebook to you, titled Baking to Perfection. Are you a baker or a beginner that don't know where to start? This ebook is for you. This ebook contains 20 different kind of cake recipe plus bonus recipe on cake frozen, alongside with my stapled whipping cream recipe. And this ebook goes for 3,500. You can click the link in the description box to get a copy now. Lastly, I'm going to add my orange juice, and after adding my orange juice, I'm going to mix this together just for a few seconds. And please don't over mix your cake batter. You do this on a very low speed. At this point, our batter is ready, and this is what I have. Can you see how lovely the batter is? So the next thing, you want to pour this in your prepared baking pan. So you pour this in your prepared baking pan, then you put this in your oven and bake for at least 30 minutes. It actually depends on the heat of your oven. And this is the result of my cake. Can you see how lovely, how beautiful this cake actually come out? So if you want more lovely recipe like this, then you need to get my Baking to Perfection ebook. My beautiful people, till I come your way in my next video, keep believing in yourself. Bye bye guys, and thank you for watching.